Excel RTD, real-time data, enables traders with basic Excel skills to take data out of MT4 and to organize and display it in any way they wish. Advanced Excel users can also use Excel RTD to send trading instructions from Excel macros to MT4. Setting it up. To get started, simply drag and drop the Excel RTD from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure the Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked and that Auto Trading is turned on. You are now ready to trade using the Excel RTD. Multi-screen trading. You can have the Excel RTD on a separate screen or on the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin Unpin. Overview. The purpose of this video is to give you a brief overview of the Excel RTD app and to illustrate what it is capable of. We will do this by looking at the example spreadsheets which are provided with the app. There is also a comprehensive user guide which you can refer to for further information. Once Excel RTD is loaded, you will see that the Use Standardized Symbol Names box is already ticked. This tells the app to use standardized names such as EUR/USD without any suffix which may be included in the symbol names on your account. For example, Euro-Dollar Plus, EUR/USD Plus. The Accept command box is for advanced users, as you will see later. There are 3 example spreadsheets provided with the user guide. Example 1. Excel RTD Examples. The first spreadsheet, which is provided with the app, shows an example of how you can extract account and price data from MT4 into Excel. The spreadsheet can be edited to display the data in any form that you want, or custom spreadsheets can be built entirely from scratch to suit your requirements. This is just an example. Simply enter the MT4 account number into the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is now linked to this data and the Excel RTD app. If we click on the Dashboard tab, we can see the live account data ticking away. This example uses standard Excel features such as chart and conditional formatting, which change in real time because the data is changing in real time. Clicking on the balance cell shows the Excel formula which extracts the data from MT4. This entire example spreadsheet is built out of simple formulas such as this one. If we click the Prices tab, we can see bid, ask and spread being displayed. In tickets, we can see key data per ticket, and in bar history, we can see various bar-related data. Of course, you can add anything you want to this basic example. Example 2. Excel RTD Example Tick Recorder. The second example spreadsheet, the Tick Recorder, uses the Excel RTD app to record each incoming market tick. This example uses Excel macros, and we need to turn those on by acknowledging Excel's warning message. Once we fill in the account number, as we did in the previous example, the spreadsheet is then linked to the account and starts recording each change in the ask or bid price. Example 3. Excel RTD Example Deal Ticket. The final example shows how you can send trading instructions from code in Excel to the MT4 trading platform. Again, this example uses Excel macros, and we need to turn these on by acknowledging Excel's warning message. This example spreadsheet implements a simple deal ticket. We fill in the account number, linking the Excel spreadsheet to MT4. As a security measure, we also need to turn on the Accept command setting in the Excel RTD app. Once we've done that, clicking on the button in the Excel spreadsheet places a new trade in MT4. Caution! Please note, the features of the Excel RTD will only continue to work whilst your trading software is running. As you will have seen, the Excel RTD is a great tool for traders with both basic and advanced Excel skills and is rich with features designed to help you trade more efficiently with better tools and better information. For further information, please contact us or check the website for the software's detailed user guide.